Hey everybody, welcome back to Crypto Noobs, the YouTube channel where we bring you news about the crypto and the crypto market. Today is October 27th, Thursday, and the global crypto market cap is at $983.74 billion, which is down 2.13% over the last day. Bitcoin is still hovering over 20,000 at 20,264, up 65, it just changed. But it has gone down a little bit, and since Bitcoin went down, a lot of other cryptos went down too. Nothing too crazy. I think the most I've seen is Cardano at almost 4%, Polygon at 4%. But all the other coins seem to be going down small percentages, 1-2% here and there. But the first piece of news I would like to bring you guys today is Costa Rican lawmakers proposed nixing almost all taxes on Bitcoin. The move would attract foreign investors, fintech companies, and create jobs for Costa Ricans, says Costa Rican Congresswoman Johanna Obando. I hope I said her name right. But I do just want to say what the bill is about. The bill would not allow the government to tax cryptocurrencies when used to buy goods. It also wouldn't let the government tax crypto sitting in cold storage. The crypto produced by the mining industries wouldn't be subjected to profit tax either. Profits from crypto trading, however, would be subjected to income tax under the bill. So this is pretty interesting. I don't know what it's like in Costa Rica. But this is a pretty big positive move. I would consider it maybe a bigger move than when El Salvador made Bitcoin legal tender. And he pretty much gave, I forget how much Bitcoin that he gave per family. It wasn't like whole Bitcoins, but I think it was like point something something Bitcoin, which some Bitcoin is better than no Bitcoin in my opinion. But either way, this is pretty cool, and I hope to see how far this will go and to see if the law passes. I don't have too much news for you guys today, other than this and Elon Musk is trying to buy Twitter. I'm sure you probably have seen the news lately. This is happening. It's either by now he either owns Twitter or getting pretty close to the final stages of Twitter. This is him carrying a sink to the Twitter headquarters, just kind of a symbol of just letting the news sink in, I guess. I don't know if he came up with this joke or whatever. So yeah, I didn't know he laughed like that, but it doesn't, it's whatever. But Elon Musk is somehow correlated with Doge. He promotes Doge the best way that he can. Whenever he says something about it, it either dumps or pumps. And, this time it actually pumped. Here's the chart on the daily for Dogecoin, and it's pretty decent. I'm sure the Bitcoin pumped from yesterday helped at least started, but with the acquisition of Twitter from Elon, definitely put it all in the green. From yesterday, it went up about 30%, from 0.5 to almost 0.7 to almost 0.8 cents, which is pretty interesting. It's pretty incredible. If you own Doge, if you have a lot of Doge, you probably seen a little bit of profit from it. But that's pretty much all the news I got. I will bring you to the Bitcoin chart. On here, I am on daily. I don't mind the lines for now. I'm on a daily, and after the past 2 days of just straight pumpage right up into the air, towards about a little under 21,000. It definitely found as resistance at 21,000, or I guess 20,700 ish dollars. And as far as I know, it's just correcting itself. There's definitely, after some huge gains, there's definitely going to be some fallback, because I'm sure people who have just been buying down here these little dips while it was at under $20,000, close to like almost 18, close to almost 19,000 flat. Let's see a little. I can only see people making a couple of $100 at least, depending on how much Bitcoin you have. Let me bring it down to the hourly. And here's the pretty strong resistance at 20,000. It says here $20,834. It tried for a couple of hours just to come up to it and pass through it, but it just doesn't seem to have that kind of strength anymore. Not this kind of strength when it happened between Monday and Tuesday. I guess mostly Tuesday, but yeah, I mean, this is pretty standard procedure stuff. Not only in Bitcoin, but in crypto and stocks and things like that. Whenever there's a huge, I don't want to say huge, but whenever there's a pretty positive upside in the price of anything, there's usually some, correction that goes behind it. And right now, it's pretty much kind of losing steam. I do see it following this line right here, maybe as support, all the way up about a little close to $20,000. There has been some resistance, and maybe it will have a support right at around $20,070. But right now, I mean, this is pretty normal stuff. You may never know. It could just go sideways because it's getting towards the end of the week. Weekends are pretty boring for the most part, but to see it doing this again, I would only expect it to happen at the beginning of the week, like on Monday. But right now, it's just tired, I guess. It's just trying to feel comfortable with this new range of price. There could be a possibility of going back under 20,000 to 19,000 ish, 19.5, but since it has this little hiccup here, I guess you would like to say, I can only see it maybe going back down to almost 20,000. It would definitely need some time to breathe and just kind of like find its comfortable spot before it could either go up to the upside past 20,800 all the way up to like at least 21,500, or it could just settle back down to 20,050. But in my opinion, it'll probably just stay like within this range here, just to go sideways, just to have a little space, just to have some breathing room before it decides to go up or it decides to go down. So either way, that's all the time I got for you guys today. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you like the content, subscribe. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, please comment in the comments below. And until then, I will see you guys in the next one.